If you want to delete your Netflix viewing history, it's very simple to do so from your account page on their website. So today we'll be going over exactly how to do that. So the first thing you're going to do is head over to netflix.com and then log into your account. Once you have logged in, click on your account icon in the top right and then select Manage Profiles. Given how Netflix manages watch history by profile, then tap on the profile which history you want to remove and then head into the history section. From there you can remove individual titles, or at the bottom of the page, remove everything altogether. One important thing to keep in mind is that you can't do any of this from the mobile version. There, if you go into Edit Profile, you will see no menu for managing your viewing activity. So you have to do this from the Netflix website and only from there. If you delete something from your profile, it also means that it won't appear as something you can pick up from where you left off last time because, well, it has no idea where you left off. So for example, if it's a TV show, it won't automatically suggest the next episode, or if it's something longer that you've been watching and stopped in the middle of, it won't remember that exact timestamp either, it won't give it to you. Now keep in mind that because everything is stored via profiles, you can also delete a whole profile, removing all of its watch history from the overall account. However, you cannot edit or delete anything about a watch history in a child's profile on your Netflix account. That is completely permanent so that parents can actually see what the kids are watching. So if you have found this video helpful, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.